I really want a pressure washer.
Car's clean?
Letty. Okay, so it's not perfectly clean, but it's as clean as I want to clean it right now because I'm pretty anxious to get those new wheels on. We're gonna try those out, take it for a ride maybe. I really like that angle. That's a badass look. So, let's get this thing off the ground. Because they're only torqued at about 80 pounds, my little battery pack or impact gun should pick the lugs right off. I don't know if you're supposed to really use impact on these, but they work. Gotta get the special lugs for that now. So when I first got these mags, I tried them on. I noticed I had a little problem with the lug nuts. They're not quite long enough. You sort of lose them inside the wheel, the stock ones. So I went to Car Fever Shop, got a set of tuner lugs. Now these little things should help. Just to give you an idea of the height difference, look at that. I got this special little key thing goes with it. That'll give us a whole bunch more length, distance. Shouldn't have a problem after that. Now before I get those wheels mounted, tightening up those lugs, I'm gonna throw a bit of grease on that. One of my good buddies tells me that copper grease is the way to go for stuff like that. I guess this stuff is super strong, everything resistant. So put a little dab of this stuff on every one of those studs before we throw those new lugs on. Okay, I'm gonna take that wheel back off because I forgot to put the hub spacer in it, and let's start again. Plan this stuff out first. Okay, I found the hub spacers. Today's lesson, be prepared. You see that? I just started filming. I had to go find the grease. I had to find the socket for the impact gun. I had to find the lug nut kit, which was inside the house, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I could have already been done if I had just got everything together first. Be prepared. Organize and prepare your jobs. Remember. Okay, so let's get back on these wheels. Hub spacer. There we go. Should we give it the old spin test? See if it clears? Might not be a bad idea. Clears. It's good, it clears. Turn it lock to lock, wheel still spins free, doesn't touch anything on the inside, but that could change when we put the car on the ground. Now, let's torque it, Miley, torque it. Wheels on, torque, I think it looks good. Looks better than those other ones I tried. I'll show you this wheel, then I'll do the other three. I'll get back to you after that. I think it's still gotta go down a good at least an inch. So I'm just torquing up the last wheel, then we'll take it outside and see how it looks. Well, I must say, I do like it. I am happy with it. I think it's got to go down a little bit, and right now, it kind of looks like something from Mario Kart. Thoughts? Anyone? Everyone? What do you think? I'm okay with it. Let's take it outside. mission accomplished. Wheels are on. Next, we'll take it for a ride. I'm just waiting for some people that are coming by to pick up some stuff and, you know, hang out a little bit. But after that, yeah, definitely take it for a ride. I got some stuff to clean up now. Maybe that. I don't know what I want to do with that car. I haven't decided yet. Do I want to keep it? Do I want to sell it? I do like it. Let's think about it. Well, let's go for a ride and try this out. Ignore the stuff in the back.
Wow. He's performed at festivals in San Francisco.
Hopefully it's a lot quieter. Hopefully it's nice and smooth. I backed it out. It didn't rub anywhere, so that should be a good sign. Safety first. Well, it's already a lot quieter. Kind of feels like I'm advancing a little quicker too. Definitely a lot quieter. Now I can actually talk to you guys in here. That's great. What do you want to talk about? So, first test out with these new wheels on, new old tires. So far it feels a lot different than the winter tires, obviously. Right now I'm going down a road that I take to work every day. So I do this road twice a day. Once in the morning when I'm half asleep, and once in the afternoon when I'm tired and cranky. So this should give me a good idea of how these tires feel. I can definitely feel more road to feel a bit stiffer. As soon as I start turning, they grip right away, so it's a little more.
Waiting, eyeing, I really want to know about secret you're holding, exposing. I want to know now.
Imagine what this car feels like with really sticky tires. Like these are old, decent quality tires maybe. Yep. These are cool. That whole stretch of road that I run every morning on the way to work. Editing the video, it'll kind of give me an idea of what kind of time that I'm running. Start keeping track of that so I don't get caught. So for about 25 minutes so far, and I really like these tires. Hell of a lot smoother, much quieter. So no, this place is, oh, it's closed. So we'll take a quick run in the Canadian Tire and get a few things I need to get, just minor stuff, nothing important, nothing worth showing you guys, but it's gotta be done. So I'll be right back. So that was the fastest ever trip to Canadian Tire, and got some oil for the RX-7. I'll explain why later. Definitely needed a pair of new shades because God knows what happened to the last pair. Kind of all I really needed today. Really was just an excuse to try out the new wheels. Let's head home, see if we can't do anything with that RX-7. Woo! Gotta go, bro! See you soon. So, short story long, couldn't vlog nearly as much as I wanted to. I didn't get nearly as much done as I wanted to. And the RX-7 has a dead battery. So, I'm gonna call it quits for tonight because I gotta wait for that to charge and there's not much else I can do right now without getting into something real big. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, hey, no, hey, no, no. oh, love.